Welcome! This video will give you an overview of OWL's Rater module. Let's launch the Rater by opening a test taker's response from the assessment list page. These tabs are the sections of the test. The rightmost tab is for the overall activity. The commands are over here on the right. To close a partial rating and come back later, click Save. Cancel will close without saving, and Commit is used when your assessment is complete and you want to record the rating in the system. This button will not be active until every item on the test has been rated. This arrow will expand all the items on this section. If it is an auto-scored item, there's an answer key displaying the acceptable responses. When opening a response in Rater, the items will appear in build order, regardless of the randomization settings on the test. Let's expand an individual test item. The response section shows the original item and how the test taker responded. Next is the rating section. This will have the score and possibly a rubric. Finally, the comments section is the place to enter feedback for your test taker. At the very bottom of the page are the fields for rating the overall section. Now let's click on the Activity tab to see the accumulated score for the test. Once all the items have been rated, you can use the Commit button. Thank you for choosing the OWL Test Management System.